Time is weird. It slows down at high speeds and around massive objects. It completely stops at the speed of light and at the event horizon of a black hole. And finally, it doesn't even exist at the singularity. When Newton developed his laws of classical mechanics about 400 years ago, he assumed that time and space are absolute. This means that no matter where you are in the universe, time would be the same. 1 second on Earth must be equal to 1 second on any other planet. However, Einstein turned that around. His theory of relativity says that only the speed of light is constant, and space and time, intertwined in a cosmic fabric, are relative. What appears to be a second near a black hole could be thousands of years on Earth. So remember, time is not just a tick-tock on the clock, it's a cosmic dance. A reminder that the universe never ceases to amaze. For more videos of Cosmos in a Minute, follow The Secrets of the Universe.